What's going on, everybody? Stanley Parrish here. Welcome back to the show. I hope you're having a creative day today. In today's video, we're doing a behind the scenes video of a senior portrait session with Miss Starla.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Starla, and today we're going to be doing my senior photos. I'm so excited, and I'm very grateful for Mr. Stanley to help me out on this one. That's so cool.
Which one?
That one is so cute. Look at me. Yeah, that's why I was putting my hair over the whole boy. That's cute.
Okay, so guys, this is the second look right now. We're getting ready. Well, we already got the background set up, the green backdrop. I think that's one of her favorite colors. Is that one of your favorite colors?
Yes.
She said yes. So here we go. We got the softbox. I got two lights. Got the softbox, which is my key light. And then we got our rim light back here with the standard reflector, just keeping it simple. All right.
You gotta hype me up on the side while you're being quiet.
Okay. Yay!
Uh-oh. Okay, we're good.
Wow.
That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Nice.
How you doing, man? Sean Edwards.
How you doing?
I'm well. Pleasure to meet you.
Isn't this cool?
That's
You want to
good.
do some of the pictures right quick?
Yeah, you should look at them.
Go ahead. Come on.
They're really nice.
Really nice.
This one.
Man, it's a little, well, just hit the thing.
Just play with it right there.
Oh, no. You're the real deal, man. You're the real deal.
I appreciate it.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's nice.
We're doing some video today too now.
Okay.
I'm on his YouTube channel.
Really? That's good. Yeah, you can use it, man. The spokesperson, BP, to however you need to market that to help you out.
I sure appreciate it.
Absolutely. Wow, that's awesome, man. Wow, you're like a supermodel, young lady.
There's one in there. That one.
Oh, man,
my
that
gosh.
is nice. Wow. Transformation, absolutely.
The whole glow up.
Man, you put in some work already. Wow.
Hey man, that's how we do it.
Yeah, I saw your work and I was just, I said, man, that guy got an eye. That brother, that got an eye for it, man.
Okay guys, so that's a wrap. That's the end of the photo shoot.
Hey.
My girl Starla, we got the whole family. We got the whole family here.
What's up, everybody? Listen here, Stanley did an awesome job, man. You're talking about a first class. This brother here, man, is the real deal.
Absolutely.
Thanks a lot, Stanley, for really
Absolutely.
transforming our daughter. We really appreciate that.
Okay.
No doubt, no doubt.